The risk of collisions due to black ice on the roads is growing. Experts advise drivers to avoid sudden braking if their vehicle starts to skid on icy roads.
도로 위에 살얼음 블랙 아이스로 인한 추돌사고 위험이 커지고 있습니다. 전문가들은 도로 위에서 차가 미끄러질 경우 급제동만은 피해야 한다고 조언하고 있습니다. Okay, now you don't drive.
I do not.
Yes,
No.
Cameron Sam. I drive. I'm a pretty good driver, but when the road is icy, 이런 black ice가 있으면은 어떻게 알 수가 없어요. 아무리 조심스럽게 운전한다고 해도.
Yes.
Right?
So, like you said, this black ice, it is ice on the roads. And the reason we call it black is not because of the actual color. In the U.S., usually the roads that interstate, the highway, they're all black, right? And here as well, many roads in Korea are also black. So it's kind of like saying invisible ice.
Oh, invisible. 보이지 않는.
Because sometimes ice is white and you can see it on the road.
Yes.
Here, though, when we're talking about black ice, it's the same color as the road.
Got it.
So you can't see it, which makes it more dangerous.
Okay, so did you know, Cameron, 어제 EBS 근처 IC에서 44 car pileup, 추돌 사고가 있었대요.
Yes.
So, okay, 추돌 is, we can say in English, pileup,
Yes.
crash. What do you prefer?
So a crash is any kind of accident that you're having, right?
Yes.
So two cars can be in a crash.
Crash.
But a pileup is an accident, is a crash where there are many cars involved.
Right. One stops and bam,
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 bam, bam.
Right.
So it has to at least be three, I would say. We'd say like a 3-car pileup. But most often it's a 4, a 5, a 6-car pileup.
So here it's a 44 car pileup.
Goodness.
That's a lot of cars.
Yes.
Oh, no.
I hope that, no one was injured. I hope everyone was safe.
That's right.
I mean, no one was severely injured.
Okay, so 검은 얼음, black ice, and of course, I was just telling you yesterday that it was not the car, but I almost slipped. I didn't see the ice, and I slipped.
That's right. Just on the sidewalk when you're
right
walking.
outside of EBS. Yes, that's right. So, what is this? The stopping distance here that they, what is kind of like, how far do you have to be? What kind of distance should you have with the car in front of you?
Right. So they did some tests, and compared to what you expect to stop in on a dry road,
Yes.
it takes twice the distance.
Okay.
So, I mean, of course, the stopping distance depends on your speed, right? But a basic way is however long you think you need to stop normally, double it with ice, with this black ice.
Okay. 이 정지 거리에 대해서 얘기를 하는데요. So basically, if it's no ice, then 제동거리.
Yeah.
Yes. If there's no ice, then you have a certain distance. But if there is ice, 2배로 더
그렇죠.
거리를 둬야 돼요.
맞아요.
I see.
이 블랙 아이스 때문에 마찰가 없어지잖아요. 그래서 제동할 수 없어요.
That's right. 그리고 또 그 속도도 중요하대요. 속도도 더 빠를수록 더 거리를 둬야 된다고 그래요.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So we have to be extra careful. 적당한 추위를 좀 더 조심해야 된다고 그러는데 왜 그렇죠?
So, of course, obviously, your speed and the distance between the cars is very important. But if you feel that you are on ice, they say do not brake suddenly.
Yes.
Don't step on your brake very harshly, very hard.
급브레이크.
Yeah,
네.
just go very slowly. So maybe you don't even hit the brake, you just take your foot off the accelerator.
그거 아니면은 좀 급한 상황이면은 이게 한 번에 instead of braking at once, what they recommend is that you brake several times.
Yes.
Little by
Over
little.
and
Yeah,
over.
again and again.
Yes, even a happy camper name sent us a message saying
네.
that 브레이크 페달은 여러 번 밟으라고 하더라고요.
맞습니다. That's right. That's what we learned. Okay, so collision, crash, pileup. 추돌 is pileup.
Yes.
And crash, collision are pretty much the same thing.
Right.
Yeah.
So a Pile-up is a type of collision.
That's right.
Right?
It's a type of collision where there's like rear ending one after the other.
Yes.
Okay. And then, of course, sudden braking. We can say 브레이크도 있지만 we can also use it as a verb to brake.
야, 멈추다, 제동하다.
That's right. So it's spelled B-R-A-K-E. Very good. Let me read that again. The risk of collisions due to black ice on the roads is growing. Experts advise drivers to avoid sudden braking if their vehicle starts to skid on icy roads.